Karel, it's very nice to have you the second time here with us in Heilbronn. Welcome.
Thank you. Welcome.
Very nice that you came here. I just briefly sketched up on it when talking to Jan the topic of deglobalization. And I think deglobalization is fair to say is a long-term strategic shift. But in the short term, how can companies strengthen their working capital position during crises like the one that we are experiencing right now due to the tariffs?
Yeah, that's a great question, and probably for that I will probably take my consultant hat more than AI specialist. But I would say that to strengthen the working capital during crises, that the company needs to focus on 3 different areas, which are keys like liquidity, risk management, and optimizing cash flow. Those are probably the key strategies. When we talk about knowing your cash position, means regularly looking at your cash, forecasting, and monitoring cash balances and forecast future needs to ensure that you have enough assets, liquidities to cover short-term obligation. Then you have shortened the cash conversion cycle, the CCC, which is, of course, involves speeding up receivables, also managing inventory efficiently, but also looking at payables, negotiating longer payment terms with suppliers when it's possible, improving invoice and payment management, so means like offer incentives for early payment from customers, but also implement structured payment plans for overdue accounts as well. Strengthen your supplier and customer relationships, so trying to have a good relationship with your suppliers and proactively communicate with them. Also review inventory policies, develop contingency plans internally, prepare for potential disruptions by identifying alternative suppliers and building flexibility into procurement processes. And probably last but not least, realign internal governance, meaning that aligning every stakeholders into corporates, focusing on the same working capital goals. So it's probably focusing on all those areas. It helps corporates usually to unlock working capital. Those are also sometimes called quick wins. But that should help within this time.
Okay, very interesting. So we are back to working capital optimization, and we see that paying suppliers late, benefiting from trade credit is a very important option. And I look very much forward to discuss more aspects of how this can be achieved during the panel. Thank you, Karel.
Thank you very much.